Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Wix affiliate program, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start using the Wix affiliate program, visit the Wix website. Scroll down to the bottom of the homepage. Look for the affiliate program link in the footer section. Click on the link to access the Wix affiliate program page. When the page loads, read the introductory information provided. This will give you an overview of the benefits and features of the program. Next, locate the Join Now button and click on it. You will be redirected to the Sign Up form. Fill in the required details such as your name, email address, and payment information. Make sure to create a strong password to secure your account. After completing the form, review your information for accuracy. Once everything is correct, submit your application. You may receive a confirmation email upon successful submission. Check your email for any further instructions from Wix. Once your application is approved, you will receive log into the dashboard to find your unique affiliate links and promotional materials. Familiarize yourself with the tools provided to track your performance. You can now start promoting Wix services using your unique links. Share these links on your website, blog, or social media platforms. Monitor your earnings and conversions through the affiliate dashboard. Stay updated with any promotions or marketing materials released by Wix. Engage with the Wix affiliate community for tips and support. Remember to review the program's terms and conditions regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.